Let's take a look at how you can embed your Google spreadsheet to Drupal article or page. Okay, so here you can see I have 4 columns and 10 rows here, and I want to embed this particular data into, let's say, Drupal article. Okay, so I have my Drupal article here. If I click on it, you can see it looks something like this. Now I want to embed this instead of this particular audio embedded. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to check for my Google spreadsheet, right? Now next thing to do would be simply go to File, then Publish to the web, right? And here you can see Embed tab, and we can choose only particular sheet, then click on Publish, click on OK. Now it should generate this iframe code. You can expand this to view, right? Simply select all and copy, right? Now what we can do is can edit this particular article content, right? And here you can see our article is open in text format, full HTML. This is what we need because we want to embed external content onto our article or page, right? So out of basic HTML, restricted HTML and full HTML, I'm choosing to include this full HTML. Now to view the source, simply check your editor for the source tab, go to the bottom, right, and then paste your iframe code. Now make sure to save your article. Now it should reload your page. Now scroll to the bottom, and here you can see your article, this article is now updated with this Google spreadsheet. You may notice that there are few changes you may need to do in order to make it visible with more width or height. For that you can also check the publishing settings, right? So here you can see, right, currently it does not allow you much control, right? So what we will do is we will simply check this. Okay, now here you can see we don't have much control over how much width and height we can offer, so that limit puts us for this embed. Okay, but you get the idea. You can view however small that is, and you can scroll. Okay, so for small data that's fine, but if it goes longer, like more columns and rows, then this horizontal and vertical scroll make it painful to read, right? So this is just a temporary measure for those who wish to see the data embedded into Drupal page or article.